Hello, and welcome to another installment in the TWU Formatting Series, where I go page by page and set up how the document should appear according to TWU's specifications. This is the Chapter 1 video. The first critical step in setting up Chapter 1 is to scroll to the page right before Chapter 1 and click on the last line of that page. Then head to the menu bar at the top of the page and select the Layout tab. There's a drop-down menu called Breaks right beneath Layout. Choose Next Page. The next page break provides a barrier between the front matter page numbers and the body of the paper page numbers. I will demonstrate how to format the page numbers properly in a moment, but the next logical step after inserting the next page break is to write the Chapter 1 heading. When writing the Chapter 1 heading, TWU requires that Chapter 1 line is the top line of the page. There should be no blank lines above it. TWU also requires all chapters in your paper to be formatted in sequential uppercase Roman numerals, meaning when you write it, it should be Chapter I for the first chapter, Chapter II for the second chapter, so on and so forth. After you've written Chapter 1, hit Enter, and then write the Chapter 1 title in all caps and centered on the line beneath. For this example, Chapter 1 title is Introduction. The third requirement is that the spacing of the page be double-spaced 0 point. We detail how to set up TWU line spacing in the cover page video of this series. After you've written the Chapter 1 title, hit Enter, and then you can begin writing your paper according to your designated style guide. Now we will return to the matter of formatting page numbers. According to the Graduate School Technical Manual, the front matter pages should be formatted as lowercase Roman numerals. For the body of the paper, the page numbers should be formatted as Arabic numbers. Now that there is a next page break between the two sections, double-click on the footer of Chapter 1's page. The Header and Footer Tools tab will appear at the top of the document. Head to the Navigation section and deselect Link to Previous. Now, that ensures that the front matter page numbers and the body of the page numbers are no longer connected in any way. So what you do to the body of the page numbers will not change what happens to the front matter page numbers. So now that you have deselected that, highlight Chapter 1's Roman numeral numbers, and then right-click. Choose Format Page Numbers from the menu that appears. Now we have the page number format dialog box. Under the number format drop-down menu, choose the Arabic numerals, and then choose, since this is the first page of your document, that this should start, the page numbering should start at 1. Then click OK. Now your Chapter 1 pages will be in Arabic numerals and will start with the number 1. But your front matter will still be in lowercase Roman numerals. That concludes the demonstration for setting up Chapter 1 to TWU specifications. For the rest of the specifications with the body of your paper, look to your designated style guide. Hope this helps, and happy formatting.